Hi, Stefan, the BMW DIY guy. Really simple, quick project today. Going to be replacing the parking brake handle and the leather surround that goes with it. What I'm going to be putting into place is a color matching red and black handle and a alcantara surround. I'm going to be pulling off the factory OEM black and black and replacing it. This is really simple, quick and easy to do. You can do it without tools, but a plastic trim tool will be handy and I'll show you where you're going to use that. Let's get out to the car and get started. Okay, so doing this is a really simple, quick, easy project for you, how to replace this brake handle. It's all held in just basically by pressure. So I've got my plastic trim tool. What I did was I fed it along this lead edge right here at the bottom until I got to the front and was able to pull the surround up and away because there's a whole series of clips that hold it into place. So now you can see that this is loose. All you need to do to get the handle off at that point is really simple. All you need to do is just grab it and pull towards the front of the car. Now there's a tab on the inside that holds it into place right here. And in this case, it's pulled away from the surround as well. There's a little bit of a surround that holds it on, usually with a zip tie. Yep, zip tie came off on my original right here. And I can replace that really simply. So I'm just gonna replace that because what I'm putting in its place is I wanted a color matching handle and an alcantara to match my steering wheel. So you can see this color matches the red of my interior, which is pretty cool. So and then all you have to do is just take this, slide it right back into place, slide it back down on the handle. Now sometimes if you get a replacement handle, you'll just feed. And then in this example, where this came off is a good example. You can see where the zip tie was by the pressure. So if you were keeping your existing handle and just changing the leather or material surround, you can see where you'd fit it on and put a zip tie on. I'll put that back together. Then simply just take your new handle, in this case for me, new handle, slide it back down into place so you probably could hear the click. And then I'm just gonna feed all these little plastic tabs back into place. And you can see where they snap back into your center console right here. And I'll just feed them down and down and down and down until they snap right back into place. Just like that. All done, nice and simple. Quick and easy way to change your brake handle. Okay, back in. As you can see, it really was an easy install. The big thing is sometimes that handle, as you pull it off and you're really pulling it towards the dash, can be a little hard to get off. Just keep working at it. You don't have to use any tools. You don't have to do anything like that. Just gently and increase your pressure to pull that handle off of the brake handle itself. Now, if you pull side to side, it's possible to bend your parking brake handle. Then you're going to be out a couple $100 as you have to replace it. Don't do that. This is something you can do with a plastic trim tool in about 30 seconds. So if you like what you've seen today, please click subscribe, and that way you'll get notifications of all my latest videos, and I look forward to seeing you on my next project.